Hello everyone, this is a basic guide about health-related resources and local updates for non-Spanish and non-Catalan speakers living in Catalonia. You will learn the basics of primary healthcare in Catalonia and new online resources launched after the coronavirus outbreak. I hope this information proves to be useful for experts, students, travelers, and anyone willing to know more about the primary healthcare system. I am not a healthcare professional and I do not work for any institution. I am a translator and interpreter who is providing information to non-Spanish and non-Catalan speaking residents who may be less familiar with the local services. So let's start with the first telephone number. 061 is the telephone number for health-related inquiries, non-emergencies. You can call when you feel sick and need advice, when you have symptoms but it is not an emergency, or you want to ask where is the closest hospital, when you lost your health card or you forgot how to take your medication. A team of doctors and nurses are in a call center to answer all your questions. If you have a health problem, call 061. They will tell you how to act to avoid unnecessary travel and waiting. It opens 24 hours, 365 days, and they also have an interpreting service available in multiple languages. If you think you or someone's life is at risk, call 112 for any kind of emergency. The service you need will be quickly deployed, whether it be related to health or security issues. It is the common emergency number in nearly all member states of the European Union, as well as several other countries of Europe. This is a health card in Catalonia. The primary healthcare system is called CatSalut. Every territory in Spain has its own healthcare system and own database. But during coronavirus, the Ministry of Health has opened up full access to everyone living in any territory of mainland Spain. A health card has a personal identification code called CIP, which stands for Código Personal de Identificación. You need to bring this card with you every time you visit the GP or doctor. If you do not have a health card yet, you can still do most of the transactions with a NIE. The NIE is your resident card. You might find it as a student NIE or work and residence permit. The Catalan government has launched a new app after the coronavirus outbreak. It is a basic test to identify if your symptoms might be related to coronavirus. You can download it on the QR code for Apple or Android. Access with your CIP, NIE or passport. You must provide also your telephone number and select any symptoms you might have, such as fever, cough, shortness of breath, and unrest. You can repeat this test anytime. And in the last screen, there is a link that takes you to the official site of health in Catalonia. The site is in Catalan, and average quality translations are powered by Google Translate. So the main website you can find translated, but not the PDF attachments. The CatSalut app is the complementary resource to Healthline 061. You can use a chat and find videos on first aid. On the main menu, click the information icon to find short blog articles and the directory of vaccines you can get in Catalonia. Click the location icon in the middle to find primary healthcare centers in the map and locate 24-hour pharmacies in your area. Note that during coronavirus, pharmacies are still open and receiving orders, but might be on a low stock. At CatSalut or at SalutCat on Twitter, You can follow the latest updates and news in Catalonia, from the number of cases registered in your area to the equipments that are being deployed. To read about international health news, refer always to the World Health Organization. And if you need anything else, get in touch. Drop an email to the mediatranslation.com contact form or message me on social media. Stay well!